Ladies and gentlemen, happy Friday. I just decided just now, like at this moment in time, it's currently like 4:35 in the afternoon. I'm doing something crazy. I'm recording this right now. I'm gonna then go and post this online, try and release it for 5 p.m. Probably won't make it. I'm in Bangkok. I'm here at the Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit, guys, for my Stay Plus. Accor Plus members can get a Stay Plus free night here. I'm paying for tonight. Tomorrow is free. If you're not an Accor Plus member, links are down in the description and below of this video. You can become one for an incredible deal. Stay Plus means essentially you buy one, get one free. And you get 2 of these every single year, plus 30% off on dining for up to 10 people, 15% off drinks throughout Asia. So cool. Guys, stay tuned next week because I'm going to show you my amazing room that I got as an Accor Plus, Accor Live Limitless Dine member, Accor Plus Explorer. I was upgraded to a room that they've only got one of these particular types. So stay tuned. Next week, releasing on Monday, 5 p.m. Bangkok time, you'll be able to see this cool room. If you're not a member of RateDrop, the reason I wanted to jump on here quickly is you need to jump on now. We're having so many members sign up, save $2,500 already, just yesterday alone. Amazing. Across over 15 bookings, we're saving people money, cold hard cash. RateDrop.net, you can sign up today. Accor Plus member, if you're not, you can also sign up with the links below, getting amazing deals. But essentially, Accor Plus, you're going to see all the benefits over the next few days when we're releasing these videos on the Sofitel. So next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, blah, 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 onwards, there are going to be amazing videos on this property. I want to show you some of the cool outlets, the Sunday brunch, wow, cheese and wine night, the Club Middleton Lounge as well. Happy Friday, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm going to show you this incredible room, which features something amazing just outside this door. And that's right, I have a door in my room, so just have a think. Put in the comments down below what you think might be outside. I'll catch you guys Monday for an incredible journey, incredible adventure here at the Sofitel Bangkok Sukhumvit. Can't wait. I'll catch you guys next week. Make sure over the weekend you sign up, RateDrop.net, and let me help you save money on your hotel stays. And also at Sofitel Properties, at M Gallery Properties, Fairmonts, Raffles, I can help you as an Accor preferred travel agent. I can help you get extra benefits such as free breakfast, $100 property credit, third night free, you know, late check-in, late check-out, early check-in, you know, room upgrades. All this is inclusive as an Accor preferred rate. So you can contact me directly today if you are looking at booking any of those hotels, and I can help you out with that as well. Very cool. I'll catch you next week. Reggie out.